I am mortified with the information that is on this bag. This bag says that it contains 4 servings, and 1 serving equals 1 cup. This does not feel or look like 4 cups, but let's see. Using solid measuring cup. 1, 2, 3. According to this, there are 3 cups of contents. Now, this is a liquid measuring cup, which is not appropriate to measure solid ingredients, but let's see. And this is a 4-cup measuring cup. Even in this, it is still not 4 cups. 4 cups is here. This does not equal 4 cups, no matter how you measure it.